Here's another 2-minute history report.
From dog shows to beauty pageants to talent competitions on TV, judges always get the final word. And when it comes to the courtroom, the same is true. But for the absolute final word, you need the biggest court, the United States Supreme Court. When the court began in 1789, their role was a bit unclear. Then, in 1801, a Virginian, John Marshall, became Chief Justice. Under his strong leadership, the Supreme Court became recognized as the true authority on legal matters and interpretation of the Constitution. It began with 6 justices, but as the country grew, so did the court. It was 7 in 1807, then 9 30 years later. By 1863, it became 10, and in 1869, the court went to 9 justices, the number it holds today. 9 works well because since majority rules, an odd number of judges makes decision-making easier. The United States is set up with 3 branches of government: the executive branch, legislative, and judicial. Each has power in specific areas, and none have sole power over the others. We call this system checks and balances. The president picks the nominees for the position, but it is the Senate that confirms them. Like in 2010, when President Obama nominated Elena Kagan. The job is a lifelong term, although many judges choose retirement after a while. The different eras of the Supreme Court are often referred to by whoever the Chief Justice was at the time, like Taft, oh yeah, or Warren, howdy, or Rehnquist, holla. Today, we have the Roberts Court. So here it is in a nutshell. It began with 6, but their power had doubt. Then John Marshall is boss, and the court gained some clout. The president picks them, but Congress decides. And both should be picky, because the job is for life.
That's the Supreme Court in 2 minutes.